ever know somebody that leave with my cologne last night. Come suck me, come suck me individual. You don't have no gears. That's why you're glad Swissley keeps something, because a long time you don't stretch your foot. You're glad Swissley keeps something. You could have dry your rags, because I know you can't get riches. You can't put out your banana leaf or your napkin and step out and go like you're a superstar. Or you feel like as you reach your bus sweat. Or you feel like as you reach your bus sweat and you're not jig. And then me, you want to argue with baby girl, go on here. You can't use enough for me. Because your mama enough in the community and you're full of stepfather. And she enough. Remember your mama not just, hey, your mother not dash her crutches far. Your mother crutches name near reach. Yeah, remember whole heap of stepfather you have. Whole heap of stepfather. You're the daughter with the whole heap of daddy. Always remember that. You are the daughter with the whole heap of daddy. You're easy to identify in the village. And then me want to argue with my baby. Nobody not trouble me. They want sore go like it want to latch for me. They have to use healing oil. Yeah. So me don't know where them a come out. Eh? She be a Sibri coming. No. Finish me see it. Which breed? Brittany Golf. I have Sabrina who own bra flounder. Always sit down with me and try to chat Rosalie. I wonder if she will have the bar at Victoria Avenue right beside Mr. Matthews' garage or alongside Binet. Eh? I don't understand. I don't hear nobody attacks and them rich this morning. Another tab of me. I want big summer. I want big summer. I don't hear nobody attacks and them rich. And I eat me and wait for me attack with all of Uno attack. I can't bother with Uno. Uno play too much hypocrisy. I can't bother with Uno. Somebody said 20 mil make. Bap bap. I will check off. Happy song. Oh Lord, the juice fell. I can't bother pick it up. Eh? Look, you're gonna stop now. Derek say my class me and put her so Derek and Derek have a mouth in her face. Him have a mouth in her face in the can class. Eh? Derek have a mouth in her face in the Derek can class. I just wonder who check off. That me I wonder. That me I wonder. I wonder enough things. Eh? Oh. Just a wonder. Yeah. Then what are we after she turn on? What the man name for class? World Dog. While World Dog out here jumping in the regular outfit them. World Dog just can't put together. World Dog wants a stylist. World Dog wants somebody shoot him with a closet. Yeah man. World Dog coming like him close them store in a basket. That's a World Dog dress. World Dog can't put himself together. When but that try? When but that try? Eh? I want to redecorate World Dog like one room. I want to change World Dog bedded and I want to move him chest a drawer. Yeah. I want to lift up, I know for sure. I want to lift up all them dress and throat side. As someone rearrange him. For sure. World Dog just can't put himself together. Might as well if they go in a one shot. A long time here wait for World Dog to put himself together, you know. A long time here wait for World Dog for smack. For true, long time here wait for him for snap. Snap out of it. Yeah. A long time here wait. I'm tired. I say I want to put one closet in a one gun and wait till World Dog pass. I'm going to boom! Yeah. Step out in your black top and your show back. For true. Somebody asked if I have a shop. I have somewhere, I live somewhere. And I know if I keep house and that will own a girl out the road. Remember when I keep party and dance on out the road. I know if I keep house, I want when time I go inside, I have a fret like Rosalie where the shopkeeper have. I buy things to my comfort and only if I take a page out of my book. Only must take a page out of my book because when I walk I take up things out of body. I wanna walk I take up things out of khaki. I wanna have generation and I never say on the picture them go buy one this and one that. Take a page out of my book. You don't have to have no man to enjoy yourself. You can be alone but you're not lonely. Remember, some man have a rent room next door a shop. Some man have a rent room next door a shop. Don't take can't glue no credit. Don't take can't glue no walk on credit. Remember disaster kitchen when you're always broke. Always remember that. So when you don't come and I wonder where I sit down pan where I maintain me, you need to get up off of the cocky when I mind you. You need to get up, sit down pan progress. Sit and progress. I tell you every day on a little bit on outer street. Enough I want a girl, you know. Enough I want a girl and boy, you know, when a street fighter, you know. Enough I want a girl and boy a street fighter. Enough I want a outer road on the live. A outer road on the live. Enough I want a street fighter. But I ask, you know. Remember say outer road have a secret. Outer road and a best friend. For sure. So when you don't see me, I ask me when I sit down where I maintain, I ask me if I have no shop, I take care of myself. I take care of myself. Try it, you have kids. Remember say the toughest grocery come in a phone house and when I back to school and I pick them things. Remember when you know what is grocery. When you don't know what is grocery. Remember Saturday no know uno. Saturday don't know uno. Saturday is another Monday for uno. And no for the young girl, I never say I keep with things in the market because I can't afford it. And I would never book in a supermarket yet I buy the meat them with the plastic over like casket. I would never book this yet I buy the dead things there. I would never shop in a casket yet. I never saw no. Remember I never saw no. I never saw no when my outer road I buy things. Yeah. Remember, no fun only act in a makeup and wig. And no fun ear blowing and no mouth and go no gas. I ask, you know, and no fun to eat up on the lipstick and puff. I ask, remember, no fun to dress up on the mouth stink as a hunger and a bad teeth on the have. And a bad teeth on the have, a hunger make on a bread at. Yeah, pound them buy. Them coming like some people who know we go 2 pieces of meat out of 6 pounds of mixed parts. Them bag out 2 pieces of meat. I don't run them joke there. Gone are the days when I used to eat one meat. I go in the whole of my 32 them. I can't chart things. Yeah. Always remember. Thank you very much, my baby. Always remember. Always curling tongues. Always remember. Me and girl will keep house. Me not throw a word for you, my baby. Stop that. Me not throw a word for you. I just start me and talk it. Lord, man. Lord Jesus. Everything when me do me wrong. Me not throw a word for you, my friend. You mad? You must be mad. Enough girl enough for do this. Kids have 3 pepper in our fridge when the angel come for coke. Remember the angel did have to grab grocery from my yard and off the road to get to the house. Remember? And then I mean don't want to kiss him and not chat, you know my baby, I just talk about it. Yeah. But I'm just want remember me always talk with the people in my thing. And that with Uno now, the still on the net and the hypocrite and the phone own a megabytes. I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't sit down on there with my money buy and play hypocrite because I want you like me. Go on here, come suck me. Come suck out my hole. I stop with friends and pen pal down with you. Remember some used to write people at foreign when foreign was only on TV. Now all dog I got foreign Chinese and other local dog for put on menu. I mean no for go on here, come eat me. Sun too hot at Jamaica for me sit down and tell lie. Sun is too hot. Sun too hot at Jamaica for me sit down and tell lie. Go on ya. Go on. I'm not deal with quick sale and small profit. I'm not deal with quick sale and small profit. I say my real dog, I'm not telling lie. You me a wait pan. Are you me a wait pan for your mouth boss? All real dog I never wait pan you yet. Not even the barrel me a wait pan. So like me a wait pan you. Not even the barrel let me away from why you tell me the truth behind the scene, you know. Nurse Aura call me, I want the she, I want the big hole of that song. Yeah. Are you me away pan? Because you know me notice too, this is another thing when me notice. Anytime Swissley is keeping something that Swissley can make money from, it's always TikTok unity, TikTok togetherness. It's always quote me wrong on this. Big hole, me de pan pecan. Lord, me baby, me de pan pecan. No man, but my friend I run up and down in a mansion. Don't do that. Don't do that, my friend. My friend I run up and down in a mansion for me. Girl, your eye for me. Wait, my friend in a mansion, my love. No, girl, no, me like them show off here. You call me for boasting on my face. Eh? Hey, girl, remember me first build house. I'm me first build house. Me the first girl build house in the crew. Remember my phone call? Remember my phone call? Where are you? Yeah, me the pan happy kind of good as my so call you. Yeah. My friend, I'm a good friend, she show me her house, my love.
Playing from Keats A71.
She running a women her, my love. My friend just put on the phone and just run up and down, so. Oh, you mean nurse or? My friend just run up and down, so. And I'm going to buy me. Lad! No, I'm lying. No, this nice, yeah. Back to the matter and back to the matter and my friend I run up and down, my friend just go and sing like a child. Bop bop! Yes, my love. I know me know I'm sure say me no homeless. If I even the basement, me know she'll catch me. At the dog house. Me know she'll catch me the son. That's my friend. Yeah. So me did talk about again. I remember enough of my friends show me an achievement. Me did talk about again. Me did talk me unity, yeah. You see, every time it comes, once somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Every time it comes to Swissley making $1. It's always unity, TikTok unity. True or false? True or false? No, me just want somebody correct me now. No, me just want somebody correct me. Please, may I beg you no. Just correct me. Remember the World Cup, it's unity again until them drop out. So now the party never could be a birthday party because your sister now go get to be a birthday party. So it's Unity Day. It's Unity Day. So will there ever be a time when anyone get a chance of Unity Day? I'm just asking. This is my concern. Me just ask something. I'm just asking. Will there ever be a time when someone else get a chance to enjoy Unity Day? Only when Jesus returns. And then nobody else want to do it. It's not anyone want to do it.